All right, so we've already taken off the panel to access the video for the backup camera. While trying to splice in, I accidentally ended up cutting the white wire. So that's why we put in this blue jumper so that we could extend that. We've soldered, that is the positive video signal. We're about to cut into the black wire here, which will be the negative video signal, which we've just cut the RCA cord. So the other end of the RCA cord, you can see it's just one of these. So we've spliced into that, tested for continuity, so we know the center pin is the yellow wire, which is what's going to the white signal cord coming from the reverse camera. And then we're gonna tap into the black one. Hopefully I don't actually cut all the way through it, and solder the black wire to the other black wire, and then we'll get to the power.